You searched how to buy shares of CITIC Limited, so let's walk through the steps. CITIC Limited is a Hong Kong conglomerate listed on HKEX under ticker 267, HK, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker 267 HK to locate the listing. Make sure you select the exact CITIC Limited result that shows HKEX as the exchange. Open the asset page to view a short company profile and the price chart for context. Confirm the company description and the 267 HK ticker to ensure you are on the correct stock page. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you wish to invest, and select any available order options. Review the order details carefully and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be scheduled to execute when trading reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed or scheduled. If you want to follow the same example, a link to eToro is provided in the description.